Coleslaw. What do you like with your coleslaw? Come with me and I'll show you how to make it from scratch. I know it's a little bit of hard work to start off with. I'm going to show you how to do it and if you get in a jam, or if you got a small family, you can just buy a bag of this other tricolor coleslaw. It's a couple of dollars and instead of shredding it yourself. Be sure to cut the core, peel off the layers of the cabbage, get that old vein there off, and cut the core off. You don't want that hard thing. And same with the purple cabbage. We're going to start off with, I got 3 ounces of shredded carrots. I shred them in the food processor. That's about 1/3 cup. And then I got white cabbage. I couldn't find my regular blade, so this is going to be KFC cut small. And this is 8 ounce, 1 cup of green cabbage shredded. And then we got 5 ounces, 2/3 cup of purple cabbage. We're going to put that in there. I'm going to mix it. It's just real pretty when it's all three together. Coleslaw goes with anything. Coleslaw and hush puppies, especially any kind of fish. We always eat coleslaw when we have chili. And coleslaw's good in the summertime when you're barbecuing out. So we got that mixed together. In the bowl, we got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds. We got that all mixed up like that, and we're going to put that in there. Then in here we have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Get that in there. Like I said, if you're making for a big crowd, you might want to shred your own. Some people like to do it, shredding all that, which I've done it too. Or you can buy it in the bag. So we're going to mix it together. Oh, it smells so good. There's nothing like fresh shredded cabbage and carrots. Put it in a bowl here. Smells delicious, and I know it's going to taste good. So I hope you try this recipe. It's, either way, you can shred it yourself if you got a food processor. If not, bag's just fine. The dressing recipe can be used for this bag too. The same measurements and everything. It's the same ounces. And at the end, taste your coleslaw to make sure you got enough of your spices that you like. You can add more salt or more pepper. So I hope you try this recipe, and I know you're going to like it, and you can Coleslaw is good year-round with anything. Down in the comments, let me know what you like in your coleslaw. I know my mother-in-law used to put bell pepper and onion, but we don't. But you can put all kind of things in there. So let me know. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, God bless.